How to fix WorkJam app not working. Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the WorkJam app not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, make sure that you connect it to the internet, and after you connect it to the internet, try to open up the app and use it. If it still does not work, what you will then need to do is head over to the settings. On your settings, you will need to come to this iPhone storage. If you don't know how, just let me show you. Open up your settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and there we go. From here, you'll need to open up the WorkJam app. Find the WorkJam app, you'll find the list here. Just find this app and then tap on offload app. Offload the app entirely and then reinstall it back again. That will clear out its cache and you should be logged in and you should be able to use it after that. If that does not work, always head over to App Store, search for WorkJam. So let me search for WorkJam here, and if you see an update button here, tap on update. And since updates come with bug fixes and regular patches, security patch, your problem should be fixed with that as well. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye. Take care.